Hi there. As an upcoming developer, you would have read posts about scaling to millions of users. You would have read about the engineering approaches of big companies like Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. But you may, at the other end, you may also be working in an organization which will be serving maybe 100,000 or even a million customers per day. So the approaches that you read about, you may really not be able to implement it because it would become very costly. You wouldn't want to drive a Ferrari to a grocery shop, would you? The other problem that you might have is your organization wants to deliver the product fast and efficiently. It's like your wife who wants the milk and eggs now, and she doesn't want to wait for you to save until you get a Ferrari. So, what can you do in your situation? Well, there are three things that you can do. The first one is about focusing on the customer. Imagine how your customer is going to feel when they're going through the journey of using your product. Imagine what are the expression they might be having on their faces. Would it be easy for them, or would it be intuitive, or would it be frustrating when they read some of those pages on the product? Would a small car, help you take to the grocery store faster and with less fuel or efficiently? It's something like that. So the second thing that you can focus on is helping your peers. So when you build a product, would you think your peers would find it easy to understand what you have written? Or would they be pulling their hairs out, looking to make a sense of what you have written? Because, for example, if you're not there and your wife needs to take the car to the grocery store, would the car be easy for her to use it, or would it become hard for her to use it? So, this is something that you can think on those lines. The last one is, would your code help your organization? Are you making those pragmatic choices that will not sacrifice speed or quality? Are you building a product that can performing in a production like environment? It's something similar to the grocery store example. Like, can your small car go and you know get groceries like millions of times during the without breaking down? As an engineer, you need to walk the tightrope of balancing quality, speed, and customer satisfaction. Now, all the big organizations that I mentioned before, like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, they all went through these phases and earned the customer trust. And when they earned the customer trust, more and more customers came in. And that's when they started getting the problem of scale. And then they solved it. So that's what you're reading about. But for you, the focus should be on foundation because the foundation includes making the software maintainable, stable, performant, resilient, and secure. So going back to the initial question, so should you be reading actually about scaling when you are really need to focus on foundation? Well, yes, you need to read about the scaling, but you also need to focus on the foundation so that you can make your current customer, peers, and organizations happy. So drop a Y in the comments if having a strong foundation is important before scaling. Thank you. Bye.